May I be allowed to humbly move to declare all seats vacant, Mr. President?
What does the majority leader say? There is a motion to declare all positions vacant in the Senate.
Mr. President, under our rules that takes precedence, we'll have to vote on it. We'll ask for a roll call vote for the motion of Senator Joel Villanueva.
So a roll call vote is in order. The Secretary will conduct a roll call. Senator Francis Pangilinan is recognized before. Because once we start the vote, we cannot recognize
yes,
anyone.
Mr. President. Just a clarification as to seats or positions. Are we speaking of all positions?
The motion is all positions vacant. By
Which positions? Just for the record. All positions of elected of the leadership. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Mr.
All right. The Secretary will conduct a roll call vote. The motion is to declare all positions vacant. A vote in agreement is a yes, and a no for the other side. You go ahead.
Roll call of members. Honorable Senator Aquino, Senator Cayetano Alan, Senator Cayetano Pia, Senator De La Rosa, Senator Ejercito, Senator Escudero, Senator Estrada, Senator Gatchalian.
Excuse me. We cannot hear the votes of the people. Please rise and say your vote.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ulitin mo.
Roll call of members. Senator Aquino, Senator Cayetano Alan, Senator Cayetano Pia, Senator De La Rosa, Senator Ejercito, Senator Escudero,
What? Abstain.
Senator Estrada, Senator Gatchalian, Senator Go, Senator Hontiveros, Senator Lacson, Senator Lapid, Senator Ligarda, Senator Marcoleta, Senator Marcos, Senator Padilla, Senator Pangilinan, Senator Tulfo Erwin, Senator Tulfo Rafi, Senator Villanueva, Senator Villar Camille, Senator Villar Mark, Senator Subiri, Senate President Soto.
No. Yeah, hello. With 13 affirmative votes, 10 negative votes, and 1 abstention, the positions in all the positions in the Senate is hereby declared vacant.
With that, Mr. President, may I move, therefore, to nominate Senator Alan Peter Cayetano as the new Senate President.
Are you designating me as the presiding officer? Because I am the position is already vacant. I think you must elect somebody to take the position. I am no longer the presiding officer. So you designate a presiding officer. In the meantime, I
Yes,
suspend session.
With the session resumed, may I herewith move and nominate Senator Jinggoy Estrada as the temporary presiding officer.
Any objection? There being none, the motion of Senator Amy Marcos is hereby approved. Please proceed.
Mr. President, may we also nominate Senator Joel as the temporary or acting majority leader?
There is a motion by Senator Alan Peter Cayetano that Senator Joel Villanueva be made an acting majority floor leader. Is there any objection? There being none, the motion is approved.
Mr. President, there was a nomination by Senator Amy Marcos to elect Senator Alan Peter Cayetano to be our Senate President. And I don't think, Mr. President, that there's no objection, Mr. President. And so I move that we close the period of nomination, Mr. President.
Is there an objection? There being none, the period, yes, is that an objection, Senator Pangilinan?
We do not object because we do not have the numbers, but we would like to manifest our serious reservations, Mr. President, for the record.
Noted, Senator Pangilinan. There is a pending motion by Senator Villanueva to close the period of nomination. Is there any objection? There being none, motion is hereby approved. Majority Leader.
May we ask, Mr. President, the newly elected Senate President to take his oath, Mr. President, and suspend the session. Mr.
Session is hereby suspended.
How are you, sir?
Sir, did you expect this?
How are you, sir?
We always expect it. You know, I've been here for a very long time. I have experienced this around 6 times. From 1992 to the present, yung palit-palitan namin. So, as I said, we serve at the pleasure of our peers. So, there must be a plan or something. Maybe God has a different plan.
Oo. But is this because of the impeachment? Is this because of the impeachment, sir? Yung nangyaring palitan ng liderato?
Probably. Probably. That's a very strong possibility. Because if I were Senate President, once the House approves the article of impeachment and sends it to us, I will constitute and convene the impeachment court tomorrow.
May tampo ba kayo, sir, doon sa iba?
Hindi naman. Naintindihan ko rin sapagkat may mga kanya-kanya silang agenda.
You weren't surprised at today's happening. Like
Not
you
really.
were ousted.
Not really. I was kind of expecting it because we've been hearing talks a few days ago. Hindi.
So it was the first time na narinig yung may numbers na
That's
dito.
why I did not resign. You know, I accepted the motion to declare all positions vacant. Kasi wala nung usual na ginagawa.
Sir, paano na ang impeachment yan, sir?
Sir,
Sir, ano magiging effect of the impeachment process here in the House?
I better ask the newly elected Senate President what he will do with it and the rest of it. Basta sa amin, we will still continue with the work. We will insist that the impeachment articles once submitted to us be taken up.
Sir, may pinagwawala kanina sa Senator Bato na pinigilan daw siya na pumasok dito. Meron kayong information doon? Nagagalit sa may humarang daw.
Wala, narinig ko lang may nung kakagulo sa libig.
Sir, pero anong information? Pero sir, anong information sa inyo? Ano daw yun?
Sabi, may nagsabi na dadating siya. So siguro, baka merong mga pumipigil sa kanya or baka merong may kanay yung sinasabi ng ICC or DIIC, whatever, I don't know.
Sir, completely clueless. Sir, completely wala kayong idea sa mangyayari ngayon nung magpupudita o may narinig na talaga kayong ganitong move?
More or less,
Sir?
once you are Senate President, you must always expect it. Ganun talaga yun. You know, sometimes loyalties, friendship, usually a Senate President is of no moment. You must have your back ready all the time.
Does it sadden you? Does it sadden you?
Or disappointed,
Masakit syempre, sir.
Hindi. Sa akin kasi, basta ganun, God has a different plan.
Pero
I
nakikita...
think may iba.
So you
Gusto mangyari.
will be
Na para wag akong maipit o mapahamak.
you will be back to minority leader, SP.
I will ask my peers.
Pero sir, ito
Most
ang...
probably. Most probably. Let's wait for them.
Pero sir. Pero ito, sir, live lang sa DZWB. Pero ito, sir, sa tingin nyo talaga para maharang yung pagkukundi ng Senado bilang impeachment court.
Wala kang possibility yan. Very strong possibility.
Yun yung nakikita yung reason behind the coup, sir.
Tingin ko.
Ano nakikita yung changes dun sa takbo ng impeachment?
Depende, hindi natin masabi niyo kung paano ang strategy.
Pero
sa
first,
part niyo, sir, we will insist that the Constitution be followed by the Senate.
so what will become of the Senate, sir, kung hindi matuloy ang impeachment trial o wag lang impeachment court? Because
Nakakahiya sa taong bayan kapag pagka nagkagano ng Senado.
Pero sa party nyo, sir, ipupush nyo pa rin kung ano yung unang